This is my 2001 Chevy ZR2 Blazer. It has a starting issue that I cannot figure out, and other mechanics cannot figure out either, including mechanics that are experts on working on the older S-Series trucks and older GM trucks. And we're trying to figure out what the issue is. So if anybody knows, please leave something in the comments, and we'll try fixing it. Basically, it will not start if it rains. If it's a dry day, it'll start right up like nothing's wrong. But if it rains or if it's like really wet, it just will not start. We've done a lot of different things, like replacing pretty much the whole ignition system at this point. We replaced spark plug wires, the EGR valve, the distributor cap and rotor. Then we tried the entire distributor, which none of it changed any results. It's getting good fuel pressure. Everything else really seems to be working. We don't understand what's causing it. Other GM mechanics don't seem to have any clue what's going on with it. I don't know if you can see too much in there, but everything has been wired up, hooked up. Nothing's arcing. My friend had the same issue on his Blazer, and he had like all of his spark plug wires arcing and replaced them, and it made no difference, ironically. So we don't really know what else it could be. So we're kind of getting desperate here, need some help fixing this thing up. It's just a yard truck, so I can live with it, not starting when it rains, but I really like to fix the problem, especially if I buy another one as like a winter beater or something for the road. I want to be able to fix the problem if it ever occurs, because if the problem occurs, there's no solution. And I think anytime you see a nice S10 Blazer in the junkyard, it's most likely because of this starting issue, because no one can figure it out. Because otherwise these trucks are pretty much indestructible and run forever. So if anyone has any solutions, any ideas, I hope this video is not too shaky for me walking around. I was kind of trying to give you a look under the hood. But like I said, any ideas, any possible solutions, I mean, I'm willing to take a gamble and spend a little bit of money on some parts and see what happens, but I'm really hoping somebody knows exactly what this is. For people that are going to say you have to have a GM AC Delco distributor in cap and rotor because otherwise it doesn't seal well, we've also done that. We've made sure that we had a correct one, and from General Motors, and making sure that it was not leaking or defective. So that didn't fix the problem either. So I don't know, and from what I can tell, it seems to happen to Blazers that spend a lot of time off-roading, so it may have something to do with shaking and bouncing around as breaking a seal. It doesn't seem to happen much, or if at all, to Blazers that are mainly just driven on the road their entire lives. So I don't know if anybody has any idea of what that could be all about either. But anyways, this video is getting kind of long. I mean, there's not much else to really say. If you have any ideas, please let me know. Thanks.